Mocha, sit. Oh, good girl. You did it. Good girl. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Building a House in the Woods. Today I got a supervisor. She's a professional inspector in this kind of area. You know, it's Mocha. Hey, Mocha, come over here. Say hi. Bye-bye. Every once in a while I take one of them. I can only take one of them, and I bring them down to the jungle or down to this area where the house is, so they get used to this place. And also I kind of like I have some treats down here, so I kind of like see what tricks they can do. You guys are not gonna believe who is back. That's the monkeys. In the last episode, I struggled a lot on putting these beams together, but I got them. I got the two 9.27 meters pieces that I have to put together now to create the A-frame, like those big ones that are in the top there. And then once I have that done, the crew is gonna come here, help me rise this thing up. I think we're gonna start finally to see some progress in the construction of this house. The next step around here in the construction of this house is gonna be cutting some of these 3 inches metal pieces. These are actually some angles that we cut it before. We need these pieces to place them right in the top of these other beams and in the insides, because those little pieces are gonna act as a support for these horizontal beams that we already placed on this side. We have to put some more in this one, in the other one that I built right here, so the beams can just sit in there. These are actually gonna be part of the supports for the roof, and as these are connecting one of the frames with the other, it's kind of like tightening, I think is the right word, everything together, so it's stronger and the frames don't bend like this, like, you know, like crazy. Like, we don't want that to happen, so let's do this. With this grinder, it's gonna take me hours and hours just to cut those little angle pieces. But the good news is that we got a bigger player in the game, the big one. I have done only 3 of these little angle pieces, and I already know that this is gonna be a very tedious job, because I not only have to do 3, I have to do 23 of these little things in every single beam of these long ones. So in total I'm gonna have to make 46 of these things. Cutting them is a pain in the butt. Welding them, just like getting them in the right spot, is also a pain in the butt. So this thing is gonna have to, you know, I'm just gonna move everything faster. It's like, I feel my hands are like vibrating from holding the grinder. That feels so weird. Here's where I have been sitting for the last probably 5 hours cutting these metal pieces. I don't even know how many that I cut, but I still have a lot more to go. I still have to cut all that beam there, and the big machine just ran out of the blade maybe 4 hours ago. So I have been going with my little grinder, that at least I'm glad I have it, because it has been so useful. But oh my god, it's almost dark. I think it's like 6 o'clock now. I don't even see the sun. Where's the sun? I'm so tired. I'm so done with cutting these metal angles. you guys wanna go for a walk? Ah, ow! Go!
Go, go, go.
Oh!
I hit it!
You touch it!
No, no. It went.
No,
It went in a little bit.
Good, good. On the last hit.
We used to play this game called Stone. I don't know how to pronounce it right, but like it's basically hitting a nail with a hammer while you spin it. You score one hit. It was insane. It's my first time playing that game and it was amazing. I love it. But I'm just like, I'm tired. I have to go to the bed. So I'll see you in the morning. Morning, good girl. How you doing? Good boy. Yeah, puppies. Good morning. What's up, big boy? Oh, where's Peppa? Peppy, how you doing, girl? Good morning, everyone. I know that there is some new people in the channel, so I wanna present you guys the farts machine. It's this big thing over here. We basically put some kitchen scrap over here, and it creates usable gas that I use for cooking almost every single day. This is one of the best, or the greatest inventions that we have here in the farm. And if you hear that my voice is kind of like a little bit off and my face is also very, very off, it's because I haven't been feeling that good since the last few days, and I think I may have, there's like a small, slightly big chance that I have the Roni pony. It's probably that, but nothing's gonna stop me from building this house. So we just gotta keep welding stuff around here. I got this. Oh, it's so sweet. Let it go. How many hours? Maybe 5, 6 hours welding, and I got the first piece. Just one. It's just one piece. It's just one piece, but I'm happy because I have put so much work and time on this piece that I feel proud of. I got it now. I had to weld all the plates and just like make sure I were in the right place. I made a line with a pencil so I can follow that line, and then the little angle pieces don't get like crooked, like, you know, like, we don't want that to happen. To be honest, I didn't remember that this thing was so It's not hard because I don't feel that it's hard doing it. It's just time consuming. It takes a lot of time to set the plates in the place where they should go. Just make sure that they are right, and also clamp them when you tack them. Make sure that they don't move. It's just so time consuming. I just got one. It's maybe like 2 p.m. or something. I'm not sure about the time, but I got one more to go. Is this one, and the goal of the day is to get this thing done. I also have to grind every single weld, paint it, put these 2 beams together, and tomorrow hopefully this thing is gonna be up. I'm excited. Woohoo! This! Finally! Dude, we got this thing! We got it! I got this! This was probably the longest day of work I have had since I came back. But I'm glad because I see a lot of progress. I see this thing just missing a little bit of paint, a little bit of grinding in the sides, and that's gonna be it. So it can go up. That's gonna be basically it. Then it's gonna have that framing is gonna be over there. I was planning on have that framing up tomorrow, but it's not gonna be possible because Jordan is sick and Iberto and Enrique are not gonna work tomorrow. So it's gonna be basically Kake and me trying to lift up this huge thing, and I don't think that's gonna be possible. So that's gonna happen on Monday. Today is Friday, by the way. Oh no, looks like today is gonna be one of those rainy Bajareke days. I just need to paint, grind, and weld some stuff, and this thing is not gonna let me do that. So I was excited to get working today. I was excited to finally have this thing ready to go up. It looks like I'm gonna have to wait a couple of hours. Now that the rain is all gone, I can finally proceed with this game, the game of building an A-frame. That was actually a rhyme. That's a good one. Yeah. Yesterday I got all these little metal pieces in here, welded, lined it up in the right spot. So today it's time to finish what I started over here and grind that thing, paint it, weld it together, and just have the next A-frame ready to go up. time to start the painting. Wait. No. This thing is dry. This paint has been sitting there for the last few months, and it's got this crazy and thick layer in the top. This thing is like half of an inch. But in the bottom, still's working, still's liquid. I can use this one to finish painting those beams. Oh man, I'm feeling like Bob Ross around here, painting, you know, doing some art. This is crazy. Nice. Alrighty. This is all nice and painted. It's just ready to be put together and then just go up. That's gonna be it. That's gonna be it. Oh no, I just need to figure out a way. This is like the next crucial step because we have to lift it up. The first tool that we put up there, we lifted up from this side. The tip was here, and then we lifted with the rope to that side. But now it's gonna be way harder because there is not enough room to do that in here. So I may just have to go in reverse, so the tip can go here, and we lift it to that side. But that's gonna be dangerous. I don't know. I have to think about it. I really wanted to have this next frame ready. It's almost ready. I'm just missing to weld this thing here and this metal plate in between, and then it's gonna be ready to go up. But it's not gonna be possible now. It's pretty much dark now, and I still need to complete my farm chores, and I was really excited to have it ready. But I guess this kind of things happens in construction. Sometimes you set some goals for yourself that you cannot, you know, just get there. But I'm not gonna focus in the negative side. The positive side of this is that we got some progress over here. This next frame is almost ready to go up. Got a lot of work done this week, and I'm happy with that. Now I just need to finish doing my farm chores, and it's gonna be it. What's up, boys? Ciao, Bobo. Good night, good girls. I guess I'm just gonna sit here, watch the sunset, and just ask myself why I didn't finish that last A-frame that I was so close. But I guess this kind of things happens in this projects, construction projects. but I really wanted to have it ready, to be honest. But anyway, thank you so much to everyone who has been supporting and helping this journey of having my dream house, just like make this thing happen, make this dream come true. Thank you so much. You guys are absolutely the best. I love you so much. You are the best, and I guess I will see you next time.